everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily turn off friend request in Heyday. If you want to turn off the friend request in Heyday, first of all launch open the Heyday game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the human icons at the bottom right corner and then click on the book icon. Now go to the top left from the friend book and tap on the gear button. You'll see this receive in-game friend request button, which should be ticked by default. If you want to turn off the friend request, then simply tap on the tick mark right next to receive in-game friend request and leave it blank. Soon after you do that, you can then get back to the home page and this will stop incoming friend requests in the game. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.